Lens, what is the truth about the meeting between a lion and a leopard?
Assalamu alaikum.
Viewers, this is your host, and today in Addsaa, we'll talk about Sohail Waraich's famous column, Meeting of the Lion and the Cheetah, and see if Pakistan's politics is really changing or if it's just another drama. And Always Sharif the lion. The lion never forgives, it remembers every wound. Shahbaz Sharif the young lion. His political career is almost over, and he will soon be out of the game. Maryam now was the lioness will eventually wither, and her charisma will fade. As if Zardari the elephant has lost confidence, and his child, Bilawal, will become irrelevant. Bilawal Bhutto the baby elephant will also be sidelined in politics. The saber lion, Eep State the saber lion, and its clan won't join the scheme, because it aims to line up all rivals in one row. Imran Khan the cheetah will never surrender, because he's imprisoned by his arrogance. He can lose his life, but he will never stay silent. In the end,
In my opinion, nothing will change in this country. The characters will remain the same, only faces may change.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. And also press the bell button so that you can be notified of each new video in a timely manner. Thank you.